How are you, student? I hope you are fine. Today our topic is conditional sentences. Very important topic, students. First of all, look at the definition. A conditional sentence shows a condition and its result. कंडीशनल सेंटेंस के अंदर हम कंडीशन देते हैं, फिर उसका हम रिजल्ट देखते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, टाइप्स ऑफ कंडीशनल. देयर आर 4 types of conditional sentences. First of all, zero conditional. Look at the structure. If plus present simple, then present simple. Now look at the example. If you heat ice, it melts. According to the structure, now look at the example. If you heat ice, present simple, there is a condition. What is the result? It melts. If you heat ice, it melts. This is the condition and this is the result. Okay, this is the conditional, zero conditional. Look at first conditional. Structure. If plus present simple, will plus V1. Verb की first form. Okay? If it rains, अगर बारिश होती है, if it rains, I will stay home. तो मैं घर रहूंगा. If it rains, I will stay home. There is condition and it is a result. Now look at the second conditional. If plus past simple, would plus V1. Okay? Example. If I were teacher, I would teach you. If I were teacher, I would teach you. Third conditional. If plus past perfect, would have plus V3. Okay, student. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. Okay, student. This is the second conditional, third conditional, and zero and first conditional. Look at the structure, example, and make more sentences and share with me. Thank you so much.